In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website on HubSpot using Hubspot CMS. This process is easier than you might think, and in just a few minutes you'll have a great foundation for your website, ready to be customized to fit your needs. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the HubSpot homepage. It's the gateway to all the functionality HubSpot offers. From here, you'll notice the login option at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't have an account yet, this is also where you can sign up for one. Just follow the prompts, which are pretty straightforward. Once logged in, you'll be directed to HubSpot Home, which acts as your central hub for all things HubSpot. From here, the navigation bar on the top will guide you to various tools and functions, and today our focus is on creating a website. Next, you need to locate the Content button in this navigation menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various content options. All of HubSpot's content features are at your fingertips right here. When you've opened the drop-down, find and click on the Website Pages option. This is where you'll start crafting the web pages that make up your site. Once you're in the Website Pages section, you'll see a Get Started button. Click it to begin the process of setting up your page. This is where the fun begins, because you're about to choose the foundational layout for your website. Now comes an exciting part, selecting a template for your page. Templates determine the layout and design of your site, and HubSpot offers a wide variety to suit different styles and needs. Clicking on Select Template will bring up a selection of options. Take some time to browse through these templates and choose one that aligns with the vision for your website. The choice you make here can be customized later on, so pick something that feels like a good fit. This marks the end of our tutorial for now, but remember, creating a website is an iterative process. While the steps we've covered today establish a solid foundation, there's so much more customization and creativity you can apply as you build out your website further. Take your time to explore HubSpot's features, experiment with layout adjustments, and tweak the design until it perfectly represents your brand or personal style. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. With these steps, you should be well on your way to having a functional website using HubSpot CMS. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on digital marketing tools and strategies. Happy building, and see you in the next video.